Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term known as MRO, Maintenance, Repairs and Operating Supply, which is essential for any organization to maintain its operation. So the term indicating maintenance, repair and operating supplies is the expansion for the term MRO. Those items and services that a firm purchases for its own consumption in the normal course of activities, and these are the typically maintenance goods and services. Generally, these are referred to as indirect material and does not form a part of our inventory, because when you define inventory, it should go into the making of final product. But MRO item is an indirect item which is required to do the operation of a plant. For example, machinery spares can be a MRO which does not directly go into the final product. And maybe you are maintaining a plant, for example, facility management. There, without facility management, the operation cannot take place. But these type of goods doesn't go into the final product, and that's why they are known as indirect materials. And this is a form of category management in procurement. Mostly, since it's a commodity, the rates are fixed by the market, and the purchase of this item can be automated, and no more involvement of purchase guys may be required except when they are introducing a new vendor or new material. Thanks for watching. Bye.